what's up people, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. This is Gufran and you're watching the Indian Grad in Germany. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and without further delay, let's start with today's video. For the people who don't know me, I'm a management student studying at Technical University of Munich. I make videos related to studying in Germany and working here in Germany. I make videos and podcasts with people who are actually running their startups here in Germany. So if you're new, if you're mostly inclined in startups, and if you're a student, so do consider watching all the videos I have made with people who are here working in Germany. And also I have made videos related to the application process for studying in Germany. I've also shared my experiences, my journey on this YouTube channel, so do watch that and do check out all the videos that I've made on this channel. Let's move towards the important topic of today's video. So today's video is regarding the topic why getting an admit earlier is important. So what is the importance of getting an admit earlier? Like, all people, they get admit when they apply to universities, but the point is, what is the advantage of getting an admit earlier? Like quickly, not quickly, but earlier, before. So the point that comes to getting an admit earlier, the another point which is quite related to this is, then you should apply earlier. So why you should apply earlier to universities? So I'll give you some important points which are very important, and that will help you further in your application journey or the journey towards coming to Germany. So if you get an admit earlier, that means if you are applying to the universities earlier, you will get an admit earlier. That's the first point. Now if you get an admit earlier, there are many things which are opened up. The first and important thing is the Studentenweg dorms. So Studentenweg is a public accommodation service here in Germany, which is like you get accommodation from the government dormitory. So all the public universities are covered into the Studentenweg dorms, so you can apply for Studentenweg dorms. And there is a raffle or application process for Studentenweg dorm, which is in the month of May or something, so it is very early. So if you get an admit early, you can apply for that. That's the first point, and you can get the room at an affordable cost, like it's very cheap at the Studentenweg dorms. So finding an accommodation, that's the biggest hurdle that is cleared. Okay, so this is the first point. Now the second point in this video is, if you get the admit earlier, the second point is you can apply for the bank loans in India. And trust me, from my experience, it took me around 2 months to get a bank loan from a government bank in India. Private bank anyone can get, but the main point is, if you can get loan from a government bank, that's important. So to get a loan from the government bank, you require admit, and once you have the enrollment, then only most of the government banks, they give the documentation process and everything, and then your process for the bank loan starts. So the second point is, you can apply quickly to a bank loan if you get an admit early, particularly in the government banks, because you know all the formalities in the government banks in India. It's like anything, so it will take time. Third point, this is also quite important. You can apply for the scholarships. Now to apply for scholarships like the Deutschland Stipendium or any other scholarship, having an admit helps you to get in scholarship, and that's the third point in this video. So accommodation, scholarship, bank loan, 3 of the things are cleared. So I think in this video I have covered most of the 3 important things which are pretty necessary if you want, and I think all 3 are very important considering your journey towards coming to Germany. The fourth important thing is also very important. I'll add to it. It's the visa process. So if you have an admit earlier, you can apply for the visa, because the slots for visa, they take time. Generally people, they don't get slots quite easily. So if you have an admit, you can apply for visa. That's the fourth point. And if you have an admit, if you can apply for visa, you can also decide your traveling date and book your ticket accordingly, so that you can get the ticket at an affordable rate. So that's the fifth point. I think I have covered all the 5 major points in this video, and I took all these 5 points into consideration when I was applying. If you like this video, do consider subscribing, share this video with your friends, and yeah, like this video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video.